Hi, I'm Selena, a teacher with 20 years of experience and a test prep expert with Study.com. Welcome to the FTCE Earth Space 6-12-008 exam, Knowledge of Earth's Surface Processes. In this section, we'll explore how forces like weathering, erosion, and plate tectonics shape the Earth's surface, helping you understand key concepts and prepare for the exam. Let's get started. Which of the following is a common effect of chemical weathering on landforms? A. Formation of moraines. B. Creation of caves in limestone regions. C. Formation of sand dunes. Or D. Erosion of mountains. Let's do the process of elimination. A. Moraines are made of glaciers dropping rocks, not by chemical weathering. C. Sand dunes form from wind-moving sand, which is physical, not chemical. D. Mountain erosion happens from many processes, but chemical weathering specifically causes things like caves, not just general erosion. The correct answer is B. Creation of caves in limestone regions. Chemical weathering, particularly through a process called carbonation, can lead to the dissolution of limestone, creating caves. Which of the following factors primarily influences the rate of erosion? A. The temperature of the water. B. The steepness of the slope. C. The color of the soil. Or D. The age of rocks. Let's look at this through the process of elimination. A. Water temperature doesn't have a big effect on how fast erosion happens. C. The color of the soil doesn't affect erosion. D. The age of the rocks doesn't directly change how quickly erosion occurs. The correct answer is B. The steepness of the slope is a major factor in the rate of erosion. The steeper the slope, the faster the erosion because the water or wind can move more quickly and carry more sediment. The other options, like the color of the soil, age of the rocks, and water temperature, have less direct impact on erosion rates. What is the term for the upper surface of the zone of saturation in an aquifer? A. Water table. B. Recharge zone. C. Cone of depression. Or D. Capillary fringe. Let's look at this through the process of elimination. B. The recharge zone is where water enters the aquifer, not the upper surface. C. The cone of depression is a dip in the water table caused by pumping, not the general surface. D. The capillary fringe is just above the water table where water rises slightly, not the main saturated surface. The correct answer is A. The water table is the upper boundary of an aquifer, and it marks the level above which rock is saturated with water. The water table can rise or fall depending on many factors, including precipitation and groundwater pumping. What is the primary source of fresh water in Florida? A. Groundwater. B. Rainfall. C. Rivers. Or D. Lakes. Let's look at this through the process of elimination. B. Rainfall adds water but doesn't store or provide it directly as a source. C. Rivers carry water but are not the main source of fresh water in Florida. D. Lakes hold fresh water but cover less area and provide less water than groundwater. The correct answer is A. The primary source of fresh water in Florida is groundwater. The state has a vast network of aquifers which store and provide most of the fresh water used for municipal, agricultural, and industrial purposes. Thank you for joining me on some practice questions for the FTCE Earth Space Science 6-12-008 exam. Knowledge of Earth's surface processes. I hope you feel more confident on exam day. For more practice, check out our FTCE Earth Space Science 6-12-008 playlist. And for even more detailed practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head over to Study.com and check out our FTCE Earth Space Science 6-12 test prep course. Those who use Study.com boast a 92% pass rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice questions, and short, targeted video lessons, specifically developed based on the latest test updates. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to get all the latest FTCE test updates. And please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and happy studying.